today's Stakeholder Forum was fascinating to hear, particularly around the common theme, I think, of all the presentations, which is around the digital future and how open data can really enable that future to take place.
Look, our experience is that data should be available for consumers at all times. Requesting data is a barrier. So by making the data proactively available, it's much easier for consumers. That's the first thing. The second thing is the data should be in an easily digestible format. An Excel file or similar is not consumer friendly, it's not digestible for the majority of consumers, so it's got to be in a consumer friendly format. And the other thing I'd say is often consumers want the data to be available to service providers to them, like solar installers, battery installers, energy efficiency companies. And if a consumer wants to make their data available to organisations like that, that should happen seamlessly and easily.
Open data is a critical enabler. It's one of the key success factors in ensuring that we provide customers the right information and the right access to data that will help them make informed choices, but also products and services that basically gel within their lifestyle and that are not imposed on them. I think that's where the future's going for customers, and data will be a key enabler.
Without having open data and transparent processes around the policy development process, having good policy becomes a difficult task.
Very few people actually access their data. So we need to question, is it that the data is not useful to them, or is it not accessible to them? So what we have seen is where actually some energy smart companies can make sense of that data for the customer, but they need to be in a trusted position to do so. And to be in a trusted position, you've got to have a relationship with that customer. You've got to earn that trust and actually be there.
I think the broad concept of data portability combined with consumer or data subject sovereignty over their own data is a really interesting set of principles as to how that will work across a number of sectors, including energy, but also banking, telecommunications. Really looking forward to next year's Foresighting Forum, where data is going to be a key theme, and seeing how the openness, particularly of data, can see a range of different products flourish that will hopefully meet the needs of consumers at all different parts of the market.